Nokia 6 2018, unboxing first look in camera samples. Nokia has introduced the second generation of Nokia 6 smartphone, which comes with 4GB of RAM and Snapdragon 630 processor. Here is first look photo gallery of Nokia 6 smartphone. Nokia 6 2018 looks similar to last year Nokia 6 with some changes. Fingerprint scanner has been moved to back, USB Type-C, rear design, it comes with metal body. On front there is 5.5-inch Full HD display, there is no full view display, bezels are less compared to last year model. On right there is volume and power button, Type-C port speaker microphone present on the bottom, SIM slot on left and 3.5mm audio jack on top. On rear there is 16 megapixels rear camera with dual tone LED flash, fingerprint scanner and Nokia logo. It has a 5.5-inch IPS LCD Full HD display powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 octa-core 2.2 GHz coupled with 4GB LPRDDR4 RAM, and 32 or 64 GB of internal storage. On camera it has 16 megapixels with AF 2.0 aperture, phase detection autofocus and dual LED flash. The front camera is 8 megapixels, packed with a 3000 mAh battery. It runs on Android Nougat. Nokia 6 2018 comes in black and silver colors, is priced at 1,499 yuan or $230 for the 32GB storage version, and the 64GB storage version costs 1,699 yuan or $260.